University. I think it go dey weird for you to say you dey any social media and you haven't heard of anything concerning Bangkok University. In case you are out there and you don't know anything, apparently a couple of students think say the best thing they can do to probably end the exam session was a sex tape. And guess what? Just like any other sex tape, the thing leak. Now me, I no come here to condemn these people. Actually, the guy maybe I go condemn her, but the girl, me, I no come here to condemn. I even actually dey on her side, but I will still talk about everything concerning the whole thing. I know me. Now, first and foremost, if you never watch the tape and you don't know where to find it, don't worry, I have it here. I'm about to play it for you, and I promise you, this na the version wey I get. I dey very serious. That na the version wey I get. I no do anything to am. Na the version wey I get. Now more talk about sex tape, which I don't know why people dey even ever do sex tape. But the thing about sex tape is that the destiny of a sex tape is it being leaked. That is just how it happens, okay? If you do a sex tape, it go leak, whether you like it or not. Whether you keep am for your under your bed, whether you think say you put am like say na nuclear codes, you put in a briefcase and handcuff it to your hand, it go still leak one way or another. If you like, put am hide am for one place for your phone, one person go find am, and when that person find am, he go send am, and if e just reach another phone, that is it. I don't know why keep am, why make a tape about you smashing and keep it? Why? In the highest form, you na fuck up. There's no argument here, okay? It no matter how or who leak am, the thing is out there. Everybody have seen. I'm sure right now, sef, that room, nobody go want take accommodation for that room. Hell, even the phone, sef, they gats expel the phone too. But to ladies out there, whoever think say, man, maybe one day they go ever do sex tape, man, I tell you wetin go happen to you if your tape ever leak. First and foremost, your name is ruined, okay? You have burned yourself, you have branded yourself. You know the country where you did. No be like America where you can just overlook it. Whatever position you are looking for, you cannot get it. Job is going to be almost impossible or is impossible. If you na way like church, may forget about any position in church. That's if some church will still even keep you, because of the society that we live in. May just forget some things. And husband, definitely you cannot. You may find person wey love you or you love, but when you start going around and his family people see it, I don't see how they would want to marry you. Hell, that even reduces your bride price if they are even going to do it, which I'm very sure they are not. So any girl, if you think you can handle all this shit, then please open your face and film away, okay? Now ladies, come and tell you one thing about guys. Any guy wey get time to dey film you, put camera, if you may do that, na small pikin, you no even get head. A real man no get time for that. Real man dey busy. If he's coming to come and smash, not camera. Wetin concern camera? Correct person is only concerned about what hole is he going to put it inside, not looking for better place to put his phone so he can video camera you guys doing this shit. But a senior man don't even remember your name as he's smashing you, bellented to go and be putting phone to video camera this whole thing. A senior man will be like, oh, what's your name? Now this section where I want to talk on is going to be controversial, and I will still fucking talk am. Now this is going out to all the people wey go just dey condemn this girl or they condemn this girl, they talk different kind of shit for social media, blah blah blah, this and that. Yeah, I got a problem with you because I will call most of you people hypocrites. Okay, let me give you one of my reasons why I believe not even most, all of you be hypocrite. Most of these people wey dey come condemn, they claim say they be Christian, they are trying to show they are Christian, whatever. Oh yeah, let's use the Bible. During Jesus' time, I believe they brought for him one woman who was caught in the act of adultery. When they brought her to Jesus, what did Jesus do? Jesus wrote on the ground, he without sin, not adultery, sin, cast the first stone. You now where they live in sin, now come here, come they throw stones at this girl. May God punish all of you now. I know they try to put curse on anybody, but if you dey live in sin, because the Bible no talk fornication, because I know say enough people, and if it's fornication, they will say we don't do fornication. That's why we have the right to talk about anybody in supply. The sin, generally sin. So now between you and God, now get in our own case. But do you know the one thing that is very messed up about holy sin? This thing wey come out, this whole case to me go. It show how Nigerians are one of the most fucking hypocrite people on this planet. I mean, Nigerians will watch Big Brother, watch things like this, people screwing on Big Brother, promote it, be happy about it, talk about it, but because someone else fucked in a Christian university, it's now a problem and we're all supposed to complain about it. I mean, you people out there are voting for people that just smashed. I believe last Big Brother, there was this British police woman was just smashing up and down. Did she like win a car or something? I'm not sure. Did people vote for her? But now when is this? It's now a different case. In the end, I do feel sorry for this girl, knowing how Nigerians behave on things like this. But it is not the end for you, okay? There is hope. There is one thing you can do. Girl, as I said, I'm on your side. Let me give you one way that people benefit better your life. There is one thing I always say: when they catch you, when your shit don't cast, there are only two things you can do. You can either be the sheep or be the wolf. Now, being the sheep is what Nigerians expect out of you, the one that you go into hiding, maybe apologize, you be hiding yourself, you try to come out small, people condemn you, they will insult you, you just have to take it, feel sorry. No matter what you do, no matter how you show say you are sorry, they know will forgive you. That is being the sheep. But don't take the sheep, be the wolf. And to be the wolf is to come out and put yourself out there. Baby, open an Instagram page. You know how many guys go follow, even some girls go follow you. Come out, don't just stay there. Bring yourself out there. They take some kind of sexy pose, and before you know, you don't blow. You go there make better money. Look, but let's be frank, this thing you do is the same thing wey Kim Kardashian do. It's not even the same. You did better than Kim Kardashian, okay? Yes, I talk Kim Kardashian sex tape was one of the most laziest fucking I have ever seen in my life. And some of our fellow good brothers were complaining about the quality of this girl's video, and her quality is a billion times better than Kim Kardashian's quality. And see what became of Kim Kardashian. Baby, do not for your own hand. Open Instagram page, and before you know it, you go to see better rich men go dey order for you private cars to private hotels. And yes, I know say enough of you people out there go say yes, I'm promoting what she did. Yeah, maybe, but it's way better than the condemnation many of you people want to put her life inside. Okay, so this is the only way she has a fighting chance to live a life. I mean, a life she chooses is better than the one any of you people will choose for her. Man, this is so much good publicity right now. God, I wish I knew this girl. Yep, that's all I have to say. The comment section is there for you guys to tell me how much of an idiot I am. Trust me, I know. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel if you want to hear more honest truths about things happening in this country. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Stay diamond, people.